Okay. Pre- Previous video, we had a look how we add the Android emulator, that is Android Studio emulator into a Windows Intune. So now you can see here the device is coming up, right? So if I click on here, right, this is the device here. So you can see that the device is here, just like a similar thing. Let's have a quick look what we can do with these devices. So see that this is the device, right? Let me have a look whether we what we can do. So got a phone. Okay, that's fine. So if I go to properties here, right? So device ownership is personal, it comes under personal. There's no category for the moment, right? So the user is there. I don't know whether I can change the name. Let me see management name, right? Maybe I can change. Yeah, I can change the management name, right? Let's see. Roy underscore studio. I'll put no one. Let's say just get put the one Android studio. Go properties and save the name, right? That things I can change here. I can change the category here. Device ownership uh, undefined, right? So go back properties, right? Manage. Okay, back properties. So that's coming under properties. So let's go into OE, right? So we can do few things in here, like whatever we did in a computer. So you can click on a retire. I sure want to remove the company data. This will remove. So you can retire, right? Um, you can put a wipe. So you can wipe this one. So whole data will be removed, right? So you can wipe it. You can delete this device. So it will delete from the Intune portal. So you won't be able to manage if you can delete, right? So we can do remote lock, right? Remote lock, unlock by passcode. You just need to set up a passcode first to see can lock, unlock. So we can have a look, right? And we can sync, can tell that to sync, send customer notification, right? So customer notification might be visible on lock screen and to Android apps. Be careful when you're using them to share sensitive information, right? Let's see whether I don't know whether it's working or not, but let me try, right? This is from, it is, okay, let's say, let's try message. I don't know if it's going to work. Mm, It means, say, it's from ECPT is limited, right? If I your device many it is managed by ACBD device LTD and ACBD IT. Let's see whether we can send it. I don't know, they can send in the customer notification, right? So we can send it, right? The properties is here. Let's see anything coming. Yeah, see that the message came up. Where was that? I could see that is somewhere. I don't know where to get that back, but let me have a look. I'm not a big fan of Android. Uh, Notifications. Can we see something like notifications? Let's go home. Right. Did it come as a message or was it like a message? No, it wasn't like a message. Overview, overview. No, messages. I could see that notifications. Let's have a look. I think it will show you when it's locked or something. Huh? Hmm, let me see anything. Oh, notifications. 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 No, just go to web. Anyway, uh, hold on. What we'll do, we're going to create a compliance policy. Let me go to properties and have a look, quick look. So under properties here, so hardware, you see what is in there in the hardware, right? All right, so let's do device compliance. I'll see whether I can create a compliance policy. So default device compliance policy, got the error. I don't know what you have in there. Let me have a look. Oh, this is the device. Add company policy fine. No, there's no company policy. That's why it's coming up, right? So device compliance, compliance. Okay. So go to Android devices, right? Configuration, not configuration, the compliance. Just get it create a new policy, right? So platform, Android device administrator. Okay. Android company policy create. Okay. And PLI employee compliance policy. See, insurance, let's try pronounce PLIANCD. That's right. Oh, spell it right. Okay, so good. These are the ones, right? The Microsoft Defender for endpoint. Let's see. Let's leave it. Let's say device health, right? Device manage with the device administrator, right? Router device, not configured. Okay. Uh, Google Play services configured. That's correct. It's already there. So let's go back into device properties. Minimum OS not configured. So okay, this is this. So I don't think we can do this one. Encryption, right? Company portal and runtime integrity. Block USB. We don't need a USB. So mm, let's see what we can do with a minimum minutes inactivity before password. Required minimum minutes inactivity before password is required. Let's do 5 minutes. 5 minutes, right? Uh, require password to unlock mobile. Let's say require, so it will tell us to set up a password, right? It require a password to unlock mobile, right? Password complexity. I'm just going to use low, right? So this will apply for Android 9. Required password type, device default, right? Low security, at least. Um, at least numeric. So I need a numeric password, right? And I'm going to minimum password length, right? Put in a 4 digits, number of days until password expires. We'll put 200 days, right? number of previous password to prevent reuse. Let's put a 50. Can't put 50. One, say one. So low. This is the arrow. So reuse. Okay, so 200. Okay, at least four. So we'll go next, right? And action for non-compliance, leave it as it is. Assignment. Going to assign all Android devices here. Right? Go next and create, right? Now, so this is, we'll go and now we'll go to devices, right? Android devices. We'll go to this device and I'm going to pause for synchronization. Then it should ask you go sync. Sorry, sync, yes, sync initiated. Other thing you can do is you can log in from the app. I will show you it's possible. So what you can do is you can go to company portal. Maybe I can sync it from there. Then let's have a look. Sync devices. Right, you click on here. Okay, what do you have now? Check device settings. So confirming device settings. Just trying to sync it here. So it's got a modification. See that one of these notifications here. Uh, what is that? So, oh, this is the notification. It shows in here. So the message we did remember. Your device is managed by this one. So it comes in here. The part. Once you log, it should show you in the screen, right? So update device settings now. You need to update your device passcode, right? So it's coming up with the ask you to set up passcode, right? Okay. Right. Settings. Let's try to set passcode now, right? Where do we have to security and privacy? I'm not a fan of Android. Okay, so we'll find out where we are looking. So security device unlock. So this is where it is. Set screen lock, right? Screen lock. It's going to go pin. I'm just going to put the okay. Set a pin next. Orient the pin. Confirm. Okay, show all notifications. What do you want the lock screen to show? Show all notifications. To leave it done. Right. So device is locked. Right. So device lock is enabled. Right. So go to home. Where's home? Home. A mini home. All right. So let's see whether we can click on here and tell lock. Right. Lock. Right. I'm just telling it to lock. Right. Remote lock is pending. All right. See that? Come up, home, home. Oh, don't know what happened. Remote lock is completed, right? Okay, let's see whether we can unlock that. I don't know. Nothing seems working. More. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Sorry. I don't think it's coming up with anything. Um, send custom notification now. Okay, let me see remote log. Log. Unlock with the password, passcode, right? Saying it can be unlocked with the passcode, but it can't see anything in here. Back. No, it doesn't work. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Mouse settings. Yeah. Nothing is working. What is that? Ah, okay. See that bottom coming up? Let me see whether I can click on that. Something coming up, but I can't see it. Ah, okay. So what is that? So was it on so battery optimization message unlock for all these features and right, all right. So it to open. Okay. All right. Just asking and unlock, right? Okay. So enter. Okay, it's unlocked. All right. So lock and unlock what? More other things coming up. Company portal, right? One other message coming up. Okay, so that is the message. Let's have a look. Anything else is there? Five apps support. No, that's fine. Okay, so the compliance policy. See that is worked here. Let me go back into the devices, right? So compliance. Or now, let's see. Oh, so these are Android compliance policy, right? So default. Let me go into that. Okay, so you report it. Take a while. This one doesn't update very quickly. So let me go to Android devices. We'll see whether we can open this one and then go to policy and have a look whether it's been applied or not, right? So device compliance, web page, actually not seen, but I could see it's been applied in there, right? Policy is there now, so might take a little while to get it applied. And with that Android devices compliance, Android compliance policy, properties, see that policy be configured. So it seems it's asking me to do go with Android device. Right. So it says compliance now, compliant with that. We got a voice version as well in here. Right. So that is how we apply compliance policy. Let's look into doing configuration policies and some other applications. How do we install applications and other stuff from next video? Uh, Thank you for this. See you from next video. Thank you. Bye.